To add stores to RDS, navigate to the Maintenance Module Stores tab. Select the retailer, and if a division is required, select a division. Press Add Store, enter in the store number, enter in the store name, a location such as a mall, enter in the store address, the city, state from the drop-down list, and zip code. Press Save Changes. Enter in the store delivery days by unchecking the days that the store does not deliver. Enter in the beginning window. Enter the end for each day. If there's a minimum capacity, enter in the minimum, and if there's a maximum capacity, enter in the maximum. Finally, if the store is a redirect store for out-of-area freight, put a check in the box. Press Save Changes. You now have a store that has been added to RDS.